This hot-rodded 1955 210 features plenty of modern must-haves, like air conditioning, supple leather upholstery, and Foose wheels. But items like an upgraded suspension, an LS3, and a smooth 4-speed automatic certainly underscore the fact that the car marches to its own beat. This sweet Chevy is the beneficiary of a nut and bolt rotisserie restoration that culminated in rich Ford Toreador red metallic 2-stage. Panel fitment is top-notch, while the sheet metal shows smooth reflections and hardly any flaws. The iconic Brightwork provides a classic but modern contrast to the car's paint, and items like LED taillights and rain gear wipers make sure you can hit the road with confidence. Inside, you'll find a custom cockpit that mixes supple leather with the best conveniences of a modern commuter. A sculpted dash seats polished billet trim around Dakota digital gauges. Every passenger gets a modern bucket, with power adjustment for the front passengers. And a full-length console centers a short low-car shifter behind a small Dakota digital panel that tweaks the car's modern climate control. Power comes from a reliable LS3 small block that's good for 430 brake horsepower. That fuel-injected engine sends power to a 4L65E 4-speed auto that spins 350 gears inside a 9-inch axle. Owning a Lights Out Classic is cool. Owning a Lights Out Classic that's been professionally customized is something very few are lucky enough to experience. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.